Hello, bago tayo magsimula, shoutout sa CEO, yan. Daniel Seperes, yan, si Paring Leila, Lakbayan, sila Jowa Naton, sila Penelope. Yan, syempre, AJ Arosa. So he is the man behind the clutch shot that ended the UP Fighting Maroons championship drought. So hello guys, we are gonna talk about the basketball updates today. Okay, so let's start with the local basketball updates. So this is it. Let's go! JD Katgulangan from the UP Fighting Maroons now playing for the Suwon KT Sonic Boom of the Korean Basketball League. So he began as a basketball player in LaSalle Green Hills. He played here like Paras during his high school days. And prior to transferring to the UP Fighting Maroons, in his first year in college, he played for the Del Salle Green Archers during the UAAP Season 82. But ayun nga, dahil sa limited playing time, lumipat nga siya sa UP. JD Kagulangan is known for his leadership and basketball IQ which he displayed during the performance UP Season 84 na yung game-winning shot niya ay makatulong para matapos ang drought ng UP Fighting Maroons sa 36 years. Pero bakit nga ba importante si JD Kagulangan sa isang championship team? Kasi willing niya mag-pass the ball to do it all for the team, lalo na to take the clutch shot during clutch moments. Quickness, yung ability niya also helps him na makabalik sa defense at a short pace of time. Change direction na nalilito yung mga defenders and nakaka-penetrate siya sa loob ng... Kita din kasi sa layup na ito na nakapag-finish siya in traffic, in multiple defenders. Ito din yung mga reason bakit naging finals MVP siya last UAP Season 87 kung saan natalo nila ang De La Salle Green Archers. Fresh of winning the UAP Season 87 Basketball Championship, na-recruit siya sa Korean Basketball League and naglalaro na siya ngayon sa Suwon KT Sonic Boom. And recently, na-award nga siya sa KBL ng Rookie of the Year after posting this respective stats as a rookie dito sa league na ito. Nag-average siya ng 7.3 points, 4.3 assists, 2.4 rebounds at 1.5 steals. At ngayon, nasa playoffs pa siya. At yesterday nga, nag-deliver na naman siya ng clutch shot again. And nakatulong din sa isang crucial assist para matay yung series ng All-One sa playoffs. And another recent game na naman, nanalo na naman yung team ni Kagulangan. Though, dun sa game na yun, na game 3, talagang puro defense lang yung ginawa ni Kagulangan in order to contain SJ Belangel, yung isa pang Filipino player. And yun muna yung mga updates. Sa tingin nyo, pwede siya maging superstar sa PBA? Or mas magsasucceed pa siya sa international play? Just comment here guys and subscribe. Bye-bye!